Alright, so doing another, not another, but trying out this back test in the week before. So looking at GA, this is the week of December 1st to 8th. So just get straight into it. We already have our gears plotted and everything. See this consolidation right here at the 1.950 area. So just play it out and see what price does. Probably gonna move this to be slower. See price carried a higher low right here. Look at this Fibonacci as well. Let's go down to the 15-minute. I would have wanted to enter here. Honestly, this is a pretty short trade. Hold on, I'm gonna put this back. So, as for now, I did remove the 61.8 from my Fibonacci, but I think I'm gonna keep it. As for now, do see price pushing up. I want to see a break of the trend line, then a retest though. You see a match at the low. So right now I'm looking for an entry. See a strong push up. Instantly bought back down. Huge push up, but looks out, and we see a breakup of the moving average strongly. So I have my stop loss below here. Take profit 61. I think this is a pretty low risk to reward. I'll probably move my take profit to up here, but I will be wary of these areas. So if I see price give me any indication to exit once price gets to here and here as well, then I will be exiting, but I need to just see what price does. Pushing up, pushing down. Let's go down just to see what price is doing. Overall creating a higher low though, so I would probably move my take profit to break even, my stop loss to break even. Took profit out of this, and we're waiting for this to hit. So do see a retest of this consolidation box, and we could clone it and put it above where price broke up through, or just keep it here. Put it here. I'll put it here just to have a good floor test of where price will go to. So as price is here, we need to see a pretty clear higher low. I don't want to enter here yet. I'll enter off this break of the moving average right here. Actually, one more. A little bit more. I'll probably enter here. Pretty wide stop loss, but take profit at the top of this consolidation box right here. Let's get a lot to the winner. And this price does. Okay, price instantly pushes down, stops us out of both of these trades. So gonna see what price is doing. Price is pushing down to the next area. but doesn't completely push down to it. I'm gonna wait for it to tap this area or something. Okay, so it's creating higher lows and higher highs. I'm probably gonna enter here. Right here. Move this. Be aggressive. See what I like to see. Take profit. Okay, just look in the 1 hour. Have this Fibonacci right here. Also this area. I'll just have it at this area for general reasons. Look on the 2 hour. You see moving average crossed over, so the price does stop us out once again. So he pushes up and rejects. Creates a higher low again, so I'm gonna enter here once more. Price isn't really giving me any bearish like indication. We see this match of this area right here where price created a low low here, yeah, low. We also see this inverted head and shoulders, head, shoulders. So gonna enter here, pretty much stop loss and take profit at the same area. Price instantly pushes up, gets to that area, and continues up. Oh, this was when that news was out. But yeah, stayed aggressive, although price did stop us out there. Yeah, stop out here. And now we're here. So price did reject this area. But price is overall in an uptrend, so I am not looking for sells at the moment. I don't want to see a break above this area. Once I see a break above this area, I'm entering. Okay. Saw a break above. Probably gonna have my stop loss like. Where's my TP gonna be? Probably at the match at this high then. Match at this high right here, and stop loss probably right below this area. Nah, I can't. I've been that close. I'm gonna not enter this trade. Could have entered earlier, like right here, but I did want to see a better push up, so be more patient. See this push up, and I see another push up, so I'm gonna enter here. Stop loss pretty wide, but good profit here. And price does end up stopping us out, yeah. So can place a Fibonacci here too. It's low here. And it matches up with this area too, so I'm just gonna wait to see price just, this is the reason to get in. Instantly pushes up, rejecting this area too, pushes up, gonna enter again, aggressive. Stop loss probably at the same area, just there's no real specific reason, just having a pretty wide stop loss. I would want it to be like right here. But when price moves, I'll have it here. I'm gonna have it pretty wide until price moves a little bit, because this is a pretty tight entry. Do get stopped out again. So price is overall pushing down now. Not pushing down, it's not really creating any lower highs. If you see a push up a little bit and a lower high, then I'll be pretty adamant on price pushing down. But for now, it looks like it's retesting this area right here. I need to scale out more. That's a problem. I'm not scaling out. Yeah, just this area right here. So I'm gonna scale down once more. Now that price is actually an area we could look at. And it does push down a little bit, pushes up. I'm gonna enter here off of this push up. Risk here, probably gonna have my TP at the -27 in this case. We can't have it at the. I have it right below actually. We can't have it at the -61.8, but I'm gonna have it here. So if price does stop us out here, I am probably gonna be looking for sells. Probably yeah, I'm gonna be looking for sells. Probably to probably this area right here. Then look for sells to the area down here. So I'm going to go on the 2 hour and just look at price. Alright. Go on to 1 hour actually. This does push up a little bit. Push down once again. And rejects. Scale down to see to find an entry. Yeah, after this push up could alright, yeah, could look for an entry here. Probably gonna enter here. Don't want too tight of a stop loss. Actually, I'll have my stop loss right here. Take profit, same area, -27. Right below this wick where price had one last retest of this area. Push up. Seeing price consolidate a lot above the area. Price is pushing up. It looks like it tapped our area. So I'm gonna exit there. And we do see price coming back down. So could see what price is doing here. Price taps this area, so we're gonna scale down again, look for entries, and instantly rejects it. See a lower high. And pushes up again. Could have entered here off of this push above the average, but enter here. And take profit probably would be this area. One at this area, but pretty swing trady, but probably at this area too. But I think I would look at this Fibonacci right here. Boom, boom. Take profit 1 would be here, take profit 2 would be here, so we're out of this trade right here, and gonna move my stop loss to break even, so just have a risk-free trade, and that's running a profit, and it hits our take profit. Just retest this area. See a higher low. Price is getting pretty close to 2.0. Okay, probably just gonna stop here because this is the end of the week. So that was the session. We ended up getting I'll consider this like it would be 3 trades. Consider 3 trades, but I'll consider it 1 this. So also we won this trade. Lost. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 9. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5 for 9. Pretty good session though. I am seeing a pattern with how price trends. Like with GA, when it trends, it trends pretty heavy. So waiting for the retracements is something that I do need to work on, because price does always retrace and create a higher low a lot of the time. So just waiting for that. And if I don't really see that, like here was a pretty good exception. Price created a hammer off of the 1.975 area, so it is a pretty good reason to enter here. We scale down, we see the moving average crossover. Once we get here, boom, enter here. I just need to work on being more aggressive and not really caring that much, because if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. So we can move on to the next pair, which is AU. Already have it here. So take a sip of water. Anyways, so AU, price is currently creating the lower high right here. We see this overall lower high double top right here. Just came down, pushed up, it created the same double top. So right now I'd be looking for entries for the downside. We can scale down, and as we are at this area, I don't want to see if we can find any entries. We'll push down and probably lower high. Probably right here. No. See the stronger push down. Is switching up. Probably gonna place a Fibonacci right here. I am overall bearish and looking for price to push down, so just that. Okay, we see a push down here. Gonna enter here. This push below the moving average. Not the strongest break, but it's a good enough confluence for me to enter. Just based off the fact that the price has such strong bearish momentum, so I am overall bearish, and I'm just looking for a reason to get in on my sentiment. So look back in time, should be our TP, negative 27. We could have it at, so I'd have two trades, one at the negative 27 and one at the negative 61.8. So let this trade roll out. See what happens. Price creates a lower high right here, which I would have been scaled in right here, but I would have entered again right here. Trade right here, stop loss right there, profit right here. I would have entered for this. Price hits RTPs. So yeah, price does hit it, and we are looking for just structure for now. I do want to see a pretty strong push back up to show us some retracement, some good retracement. We could see a trend line hit potentially. So yeah, so gonna play it out and see what price does end up doing. Price ends up hitting this area once again, which it has been doing a lot. So once it gets here, probably waiting for a higher low. Probably gonna don't necessarily yeah, don't really necessarily have to take profit for a bullish sentiment. Just looking for a don't want to do that. Okay, just looking for a retracement. So yeah, price is here. Gonna Fibonacci once again. This price is pushing up, and we do see this Fibonacci right here. So move this real quick, and yeah, gonna scale down and just wait for a reason to get in. I do see price creating these little candlesticks as it pushed down, so I'm probably gonna enter here. My stop loss just above this area. Take profit, matching this low. We'll see what happens. Okay, we do get stopped out. Price does create a higher low right here. So this and get out, see what happens. I am still. I do see price getting to the 0.65 for pushing down or doing anything else. As price gets here, gonna scale down once again and probably look for a lower high before entering anything. So we get that. Oh, okay. Missed the entry. Get another lower high. I'll look, scale out and see what price is doing. So yeah, so price is creating a lower high right here. Let's do this. And TP, I'd probably have my TP just matching the overall low once again. So stop loss right here. Profit right here. I'd probably just have it just matching that area. So let's go out to the 1 hour. See what price does. Price does push down lots. Wow, okay, push is not heavy. Pushes back up for a retracement. Potentially get a Fibonacci entry here. Pretty stretched, but if you see a pretty strong push down off of this huge wick, like close 1% of the body, yeah, right here I'm gonna enter again. Close above this area. To take profit here. Take profit here, scale out on the position here and take out some of the profits. Price does get there. So price does end up getting there. So scaling out, taking some of the profits out. Price is retracing pretty heavily too. So overlapping numbers. Can't even see which one is which. But yeah, probably just gonna let the trade play out. So this trade is gonna have less risk on it, a lot less risk. Because this trade already had some of the profit taken out. So this trade has a lower lot size. So as price gets here, probably gonna re-enter here. Price pushing down up below this area and stop loss, take profit at the same -27 extension. See what price does. price does end up pushing up and stops us out for both trades. Again, I'm still going to be aggressive and just look for entry because I do believe price is going to get there. Okay, price does end up creating a double top right here and pushes down. So I'm going to enter again here. Matches this area right here. Enter, boom. Take profit at the same area right here. Okay, price instantly, almost instantly smacks up and pushes up. See this inverted head and shoulders, but I probably wouldn't really be looking at that. Just looking at the 1 hour, 2 hour, and see what price is doing. And price did end up creating a higher low here, but I did not see this inverted head and shoulders. Head, shoulder, started pushing up, did not see this, so price is pushing down though. We could potentially see it hit the area we did want it to hit, but I was gonna let it play out. Yeah, one more re-entry and we would have gotten what we wanted, but just let price play out. Should have re-entered though. And just kept being aggressive right here. If price would have stopped it out, it would have stopped us out. But yeah, that is the position, the trades we did see for AU. 7. Yeah, price did end up getting where we wanted to get to overall, but it's just focusing on the entries, getting the good structured entries, scaling out constantly. But I can't really scale out too much on backtesting because it's gonna like show what happens in the candlestick, which I don't really like. So it would just stay the same. But yeah, pretty good session of GA and AU. I would do gold, but gold, you could see, did absolutely nothing. That week it was extremely choppy, so I didn't see a point in even trying. I did place this, but when I looked at it, I saw it was choppy. But you could argue hindsight bias with when I'm doing this, but I'm gonna be so honest, I don't remember what every entry you could get in the last week was, so I can't even say that I knew what was gonna happen. But yeah, so working on the entries, refining them, and just looking for what I want from the markets, and just focusing on risk management, just managing my risk so that if I lose a trade, it doesn't hurt me as much as a high risk trade would, because at the end of the day, my strategy is not going to win me 100% of the trades. It'll win me 50, 40, 30%, maybe 60, but with good risk management, I'm going to be profitable at the end of the day. And yeah, so that is this video, and I'm going to be doing this pretty often, so I could really learn the recent markets, learn what price has been doing recently instead of going back years and years, knowing price for what it is now, and seeing price for what it's been doing now, like recently, this recent week, and just understanding how the markets are adapting each day, each second, each minute. So yeah, that was really it for this.